ABCs of machine learning by Tinker Toddlers. A is for artificial, as in artificial intelligence. AI for short. AI is when a machine imitates intelligent human behavior. B is for brain. In machines, the brain can be anywhere. C is for computer. A computer is a programmable electronic machine that stores, retrieves, and works with data. What is data? D is for data. Data are basically raw facts used in calculating, reasoning, or planning. E is for examples. Examples are sample representations that help machines learn patterns that are being sought. For example, can somebody give me a few examples of different colors?
Red, yellow, orange, green, blue, yellow, purple, pink.
Thank you. That's good. F is for filter.
What's a filter?
A filter is one where you drop both the big flowers and the small flowers into the filter, and the filter only allows the small flowers to fall down, which means it has separated the big ones on top and let the small ones, fall to the bottom. So filtering is a process that separates a select material from a set of large number of materials.
Organizes materials.
Yes. G is for general, as in general intelligence.
What's general intelligence?
General intelligence is when a machine can perform any kind of intellectual task that we can perform, also known as strong AI.
What's strong AI?
Strong AI is anything that you can ask a machine, it should be able to, answer your question, even though it has not yet been, trained specifically for that job.
Okay.
H is for human, as in human intelligence. Human intelligence is how we learn, understand, and deal with problems. Can you guys give me an example of human intelligence?
Like reading numbers.
Yes, reading numbers is a great example. Any other example?
Playing activity books.
Yeah,
Maths.
playing activity books.
Maths.
Maths, yes, doing maths is a great example of human intelligence.
Memory.
Memory, yes, of course.
English.
Yes, learning languages is very important. Only humans can do that.
Remember?
Fantastic. Remembering and reproducing.
It's a game.
Okay. Yeah, all that is a great examples. Thank you, children. Let's go on. I stands for information. What is information? Information is organized data from experiences, from investigation, study, or instruction. Right? Can you guys give an example of organized data?
Yes.
Yes.
Organized data help NASA organize the machine's planning. Organize which one goes where to build the rocket.
That's right. Yeah. So you anything. So even I would say a calendar is organized information, right? It's very prettily. It's very nicely organized into days, months, years, so that we can
Centuries, decades.
Absolutely. Why? So what that does is it allows us to understand.
Calculate time.
Exactly. It allows us to calculate time over a very long periods of time, right?
Even in the dinosaur period.
Yes, absolutely.
That's
Correct.
a millennium.
J
Millennium.
is for job. Right. You guys already know what a job is, but look, if we work in as a doctor, then we work in healthcare. If we work in education, then we are able to learn and reproduce quick facts. And if you work in transportation, we are able to safely and quickly make people travel. So machine learning is used in all these different jobs, right? Can you tell me, let's say if your daddy is a radiologist, Can you see? This person is a radiologist because he's looking at us.
X-ray man.
Yeah, I mean, look, a radiologist is a bigger name, right? If he looks at an X-ray and tells where there is a fracture detected, right? Now, how can AI or machine learning can help make the radiology job much easier?
The AI would just automatically once or twice has to be scanned how the person is doing, and then it will automatically circle to the right.
Exactly,
And
precisely.
that is the injured place.
Exactly.
And then it will tell what's the problem in a speech box.
Exactly. So, AI can help a radiologist detect where the fracture is there.
Not
And
only fractures.
and we all know about education, right? For example,
We are in education.
no, what I mean is,
Video is about education.
that's true. But we can ask an Alexa box, how far is the
we
moon?
have an Alexa box.
How far is the moon away from here? And then Alexa will tell you the moon is 238,900 miles from Earth.
Wow, that's a lot of distance.
Yes. So that's also a part of machine learning. Machine learning understood our words. It looked for the right answer. It gave us the right answer.
I think this is too bad.
K is for kernel.
What is kernel?
Kernel is a software that functions at the most basic level and controls hardware. L is for learning. It means to gain understanding through experience, study, or instruction. M is for machine, as in machine learning. Machine learning happens with the supply of added information over time, as in like a library. Neural, N stands for neural, as in neural network. Neural networks are a web of learning units. Each neuron has information coming in, studied, and results flowing out. O is for optimize. It's too hot, it's too cool, and something is just right. Optimizing is when you make a best or most effective product to find the best solution. P is for programming, where you say draw apple, and the computer listens to your command, and then it goes on to draw an apple. Q is for quantum. Yes. Q is for quantum, as in quantum computers. The traditional computer can only think in zeros and ones, right? A quantum computer can think. Yeah. Quantum computers are fast at solving highly complex problems using qubits of data than traditional computers using bits of data. R is for robot. We have many robots that are present. There are drones, there are rovers, even vacuum robots are there.
Mars rover,
Yes.
moon rover.
Yes. Robots are machines that perform complicated tasks to help make life easier and more enjoyable for us. S is for supervised, as in supervised learning. Supervised learning is when information is labeled for classification. It's like having a teacher to tell you what's right and what's wrong. So supervised learning can tell you what's right and what's wrong. T is for training. Training is teaching a computer a particular behavior. Training involves lots of data being fed to the computer, and then the computer uses the training data set to create the model. The model is then used to come up with a prediction, and then you use the test data to make the prediction perfect. U is for unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is when information is not labeled and it's not available for classification. You figure out the right and wrong answer on your own. It's like not having a teacher, but you just try both ways. V is for visualization. Visualization is structuring data so we can see them on a large graph of some sorts. W is for work. Work is the ability to get things done or get a result. Machines help us get more work done. X is for X as a variable X. Information in. X is a common variable used in machine learning formulas. This is also known as input variable or feature. So exactly, we have X1 and X2 are the input variables are known as features, and then we have the hidden layers which analyze the results, and then you are given the output layers. Y is for yottabyte. This is the colossal amount of global digital data that's created, consumed, and replicated. A yottabyte digital data era hasn't arrived yet. Maybe it will come in 2015. Z is for zettabyte. The zettabyte era began between 2012 and 2016. So we are actually in the zettabyte era. And that's the conclusion for today's class, children. Thank you very much.